I think it's worth coming to a different country and try what is authentic to their country. बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन है, right?
Yep.
Hey guys, we have come to this place. This is the famous place in Paris for the macarons. So we are gonna grab some macarons here. They have so many options, as you can see. So here you can get the assorted macarons. So we are taking six. I think that would be good enough. And here you will choose basically your flavors, what all you need. Thank you. Thank you so much. So they have given this card, I think, which is nice. The package can't wait to try them. We have tried multiple. So you can take a set of eight actually, I guess. We thought it was six, but yeah, you can take set of eight. So we are gonna go to the Eiffel Tower and have macarons there. Now we are going to Eiffel Tower. We'll sit in the garden, enjoy the view, soak everything in. So we are gonna take this bus which goes to Eiffel Tower. To Eiffel Tower. Meet the cute kids. They have the scooters. We have taken this bus. It's around only 5 to 10 minutes to the Eiffel Tower now. So we will reach here, have some breakfast. We have grabbed macarons from the famous iconic London and the croissant, and we'll have it as a breakfast in the Eiffel Tower garden. Hey guys, we are trying macarons. So हम आईफिल टावर के पास आ चुके हैं और हमने डिसाइड किया था कि हम मैक्रॉन्स और क्रॉसन यहाँ पे ही ट्राई करेंगे। हम आईफिल टावर के पास आ गए। यहाँ पे गार्डन है, बट यहाँ पे गार्डन क्लोज है। हमारा प्लान था कि हम गार्डन में आराम से बैठकर मैक्रॉन्स ट्राई करें, बट गार्डन तो क्लोज है। सो वी आर स्टैंडिंग बट वी आर स्टिल ट्राइंग मैक्रॉन्स। इट्स वेरी टेस्टी, लाइक इट्स वर्थ द ट्राई। It's so yummy. The flavors are so nice. They are very soft also. Like the macarons which I have eaten in India in few of the bakeries, those are very hard. Like I have eaten few in Bangalore in few of the parties. But if you see, this is very tender. Even if I show you close, this has completely like broken. So this is that soft, and this is the speciality of, I think, eating the things where the origin is from. So yeah, in Paris, I think everything is very different. Whatever we have tried, even if you copy the same flavor in India, but still they are not the same. So I think it's worth coming to a different country and try what is authentic to their country. So you actually know what's the taste here. I think this one I am trying is caramel. I love caramel with vanilla. So they have combined the flavor. They are going very good together. What's
I think
yours?
I have pistachio. This is also very tasty.
But this is my favorite flavor. You have picked my favorite flavor.
You can have it.
This is our second spot here in Paris. So we have come after Eiffel Tower. We have come to see this famous Louvre Museum. Very good art in the museum. We are planning to go inside, but I think बहुत ज़्यादा line है, right?
Yep. There's a long line,
Though
long
it's
queue for it,
yeah,
and
though
you
it's
have
a
to wait for
Monday,
your time.
but I think I don't know. They have lot of tourists in winters also, so it is gonna be difficult for us. So yeah, we'll wait for 5 to 10 minutes, but I don't think this line is gonna end soon. So it's much more beautiful from outside. So we have seen it.
So we just want to enjoy the sights from outside, enjoy this platform area.
Hi guys. So we are going on a cruise date.
We have got in line for our river cruise, so we'll
There
see
is a
many
very big
sights.
line. There is a very big line. Like you have to wait for 30 to 45 minutes. You have to arrive early so that your turn can come. But there are so many people. The weather is also not too good for now. So yeah, we are managing. We are carrying the umbrellas here.
These are all the places the cruise takes us. These are all the iconic sites we can see because they are all by the Seine River, and the last one would be the Eiffel Tower.
देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर मोस्ट ऑफ द लोकेशंस पर एक्चुअली में एमिली इन पेरिस की शूटिंग हुई थी।